hear me?
Ya.
Lalu?
Okey, aku cakap dulu. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Fahmi bin Syaran. My matric card number 01 GPU F1. Salah siap. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Syaran. My matric card number 01 GPU 19 F1056. Okay. Today I want to talk about heat exchanger. Okay. Introduction is what is heat exchangers. Heat exchangers is a system as to transfer heat between two or more fluids. The heat exchanger are in both cooling and heating process. The fluid may be separated by solid water to prevent mixing, or they may be in the direct contact. They are widely used in space heating, refrigerant, air conditioning, power station, chemical plant, petrochemical plant, petroleum refineries, natural gas processing, and waste treatment. The classic example of heat exchangers is found in an internal combustion engine in which a correcting fluid known as engine coolant flow to radiator cool and air flow past the coil, which cool the coolant and heat is incoming air. Another example is the heat sink, which is a passive heat exchanger that transfer the heat generated by electronic or mechanical device to fluid medium, often or a liquid coolant. And then I pass to my friend. And I pass to my friend Syuib Roslan. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Syuib Beruslan. My matric number 01 DPU 19F1083. Today I present about type of heat exchanger. 1. Shell and tube heat exchanger. Shell and tube heat exchanger consists of a series of tubes which contain fluid that must be either heated or cooled. 2. Double pipe heat exchanger. A form of shell and tube heat exchanger. Double pipe heat exchanger employ the simplest heat exchanger design and configuration, which consists of two or more concentric cylindrical pipe and or tube on one large tube and one or more smaller tubes. 3. Heat exchanger. These exchangers are composed of many things, slightly separate plates that have very large surface areas and small fluid flow passages for heat transfer. 4. Condenser, evaporator and boiler. Heat exchanger which employ a two-phase heat transfer machine. And features shell and tube heat exchanger, double pipe heat exchanger, and diagram of a plate and frame heat exchanger. I give my partner Muhammad Zahid Siddiq.
Thank you kepada Syuib My name is Muhammad Zaid bin Ahmad Siddiq. Okay. My calculation is preliminary hit the S-charger design, the US unit. Estimation of the heat. Therefore, at the need input, you know, input fluid mass flow rate apa ms berapa meter per 25 lb per hour lah. Okay, look. Okay. Fluid temperature in the time. Okay, and at the fluid heat 0.74. Okay, the calculation heat transfer rate Q 9025 and lot mean the temperature 0 and the equation user population. Okay, you see that the Q you see that the Q the